Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tradier Brokerage API. Tradier Brokerage API offers a robust and flexible application programming interface for accessing real-time market data and executing trades. Its main purpose is to provide developers and traders with the tools to build custom trading applications and automate their investment strategies. The target audience includes experienced traders, developers, and quant firms. Key features include market data access, order execution, and account management functionalities. Their website provides details on API documentation, pricing, and various integrations. Tradier boasts competitive pricing, emphasizing transparency with no hidden fees. The API utilizes RESTful architecture, known for its simplicity and ease of integration. Availability is global, provided internet access is available. They clearly highlight their focus on speed and reliability for real-time trading. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the Tradier Brokerage API. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The documentation was well organized and easy to follow, and I had my first simple trading bot up and running within a couple of hours. Navigating the API was intuitive, particularly the endpoints for market data retrieval. I was easily able to pull real-time quotes for my preferred stocks. The performance was excellent. I experienced minimal latency, ensuring smooth order execution. The API's reliability impressed me. I encountered no significant downtime during my testing period. I had a quick question about authentication and their support team responded promptly via email, resolving my issue within a day. I was really impressed by how well documented the API was, making integration a breeze. One minor drawback was the initial learning curve for understanding the more advanced order types, but that's to be expected with a powerful API like this. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tradier Brokerage API. It exceeded my expectations in terms of performance and ease of integration. The ability to build custom trading solutions gives it a significant advantage over many other brokerage platforms. That's my overview of Tradier Brokerage API. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.